Now, during the sentencing for the brutal murder of Monica Kimani, the accused Joseph Irungu, aka Jowie, was described as someone who had anger issues. Jowie, 33 years old, was convicted of the murder of Monica Kimani, who was brutally murdered in her Lamuria Gardens flat in Nairobi on September 19, 2018. Justice Grace Nzioka remarked that probation officer Andrew Kanyoto identified Jowie's criminogenic risk factors, including impulsive and confrontational. Judge Grace Nzioka read Nyoto's account that stated this, and I quote, "He lacks stable partner relationships. He has antisocial personality patterns manifested by living on the edge. He is impulsive and a thrill seeker. He uses anger or aggression to control others. He has a double personality trait." End of quote. Investigating officer Maxwell Otieno described Jowie as an extremely dangerous person and demanded the harshest penalty allowed by law. The statement read this, and I quote, "The accused is violent in nature, as demonstrated by the fact that he was involved in an assault case when he was out on bond in this matter, and it did not go forward because the complainant withdrew the matter." End of quote. The victim's family claims that the sad event caused a monumental psychological impact and that they are still coming to terms with the loss of their loved one. They also believed that the maximum penalty under the law should be served, but this will not suit them. The statement read this, and I quote, "It is reported that following the death of the victim, she, the mother, suffered prolonged depression and consequently suffered stroke. According to her, the only appropriate sentence is death." End of quote. Justice Grace Nzioka had the ultimate say, and he sentenced Jowie to death, judging that Monica Kimani's brutal murder was intentional. She said this, and I quote, "It wasn't a defensive action. It was not a result of provocation. It was planned, intended, and carried out. The accused person before this court, being Joseph Irungu, shall suffer death as provided for the offense of murder under Section 204 of the Penal Code of Kenya." End of quote. This is Cuban News.